All of you in my YouTube channel. Today I teach you the heliosphere. So what is heliosphere? What do we mean when we say something has an edge or a boundary? Something like a table or a social field have clear edge and boundaries. Other objects like cities and towns have boundaries that aren't as easy to see. It is hard to say where they are and something as being. The solar system is more like a city than a table or source field. You could say that a solar system extends as far as the influence of the sun. That could mean the influence of the sunlight, or the influence of the sun's gravity, or the influence of the sun's magnetic field or solar wind. Could the reach of the sun's light be a good way to decide how far the solar system extends? The light from the sun gets fainter as you move further away, but there is no boundary where the light stops or where it suddenly gets weaker. How about gravity? Just like light, the influence of the sun's gravity extends without limit. Although it gets weaker further away from the sun, there is not a boundary at which it stops. Astronomers are still discovering objectives in the outer solar system beyond Pluto. The solar wind, different from light or gravity, as it streams away from the sun, it races out towards the space between the stars. We think of this space as empty, but it contains traces of gas and dust called the interstellar medium. The solar wind blows against this material and clears out a bubble-like region in this gas. This is not a bubble like a soap bubble, but more like a cloudy or foggy breath that you breathe into chilly winter air. The entire area of bubble inside the boundary of the solar system is called the heliosphere, the place where the solar wind slow down, begin to interact with the interstellar medium is called the Helios Earth. The Helios Earth has few parts: termination shock, the innermost part of the boundary, the heliopause, the outermost part of the boundary, and the part in between the inner and the outer boundary. The termination shock is more than twice as far away as the orbit of Pluto. The distance were measured two places by NASA's Voyager spacecraft and found to be 94 and 84 times the distance between the Earth and the Sun. The NASA's Interstellar Boundary Explorer (IBEX) mission is making maps of the entire solar boundary. To learn more, play games, sign up for mission update, visit http://ibex.swri.edu. So this is the website name, you can visit. So here is one kind of project work. You can done this project work. I am not going to discuss anything about this project work. You just pause the video and follow the instruction. Okay. So I am giving you a picture of details of heliosphere process. So this is the heliosphere. This is the termination shock, heliopause, and bow wave. And this is our solar system sun, and this is our entire solar system. So friends, thank you in this video. If you like my video, like it and share it. Thank you.